States where adultery is illegal in the United States, a legal and moral dilemma. When you think about the sanctity of marriage, few things are more damaging than infidelity. Yet, in the 21st century, it's surprising to learn that in some states within the United States, adultery is not just a moral issue but a legal one as well. In a world where personal freedom is highly valued, the fact that adultery can land you in legal trouble may seem out of place. But for many states, the law still reflects centuries-old beliefs about marriage and fidelity. Adultery, defined as voluntary sexual intercourse between a married person and someone who is not their spouse, remains illegal in several U.S. states. While the enforcement of these laws is rare, they carry significant implications, especially in divorce cases where adultery can affect alimony, custody, and property division. In states like New York, Massachusetts, and Michigan, adultery is classified as a criminal offense. Although rarely prosecuted, the presence of such laws gives a clear indication of how seriously these states view marital fidelity. In Michigan, for instance, adultery is considered a felony, punishable by a fine and even imprisonment. This harsh stance may seem draconian, but it underscores a legal system that still upholds traditional values. Other states, such as Virginia and Maryland, also maintain laws against adultery, albeit with lesser penalties. In Virginia, adultery is a Class 4 misdemeanor, which might seem less severe, but it can still carry a hefty fine and be used as leverage in divorce proceedings. Similarly, in Maryland, adultery can be cited as grounds for divorce and may influence the court's decision in dividing assets and awarding spousal support. The existence of these laws raises important questions. Should personal relationships be subject to legal scrutiny? Are these laws a necessary deterrent, or do they merely reflect outdated societal norms? For couples, especially those navigating the treacherous waters of divorce, understanding the legal landscape is crucial. Adultery laws, even if not actively enforced, can profoundly impact the outcome of a divorce case, tipping the scales in favor of the wrong party. If you find yourself facing the emotional and legal challenges of adultery, it's essential to seek guidance from a qualified attorney who understands the intricacies of these laws. Whether these laws serve justice or perpetuate antiquated ideals, they remain a part of the legal framework in several states, and their consequences should not be underestimated. Have you ever considered how these laws might affect your relationship or your approach to marriage? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.